Hi, my name is Zura, and I'll tell you about talking head videos. 3, 2, 1, let's go. In most cases, businesses use a studio to shoot their videos and then spend several days editing them. However, publishing a video quickly and getting it out to the public is sometimes vital. A short talking head video may save you a great deal of time and energy. Find out how to make talking head videos without cameras, microphones, or lighting equipment by watching this video. There are two methods for editing a talking head video: conventional and innovative. Using the conventional way, you need to write a script, film your talking head video and any B-roll material, record your audio, and edit the video with a video editor. In the end, you'll need to put a lot of time and effort into this process. The innovative technique is far more efficient. With a platform like Elai, you can just type in any text and have a talking head video created for you in minutes. As a result, you may have your videos narrated by realistic AI avatars in more than 65 different languages. You can even request a custom avatar of yourself to avoid speaking in front of a camera. A personalized avatar is always ready to go and may be used in any high-quality content. Check out some talking head video examples produced with the help of Elai Builder. Explainer videos. An all-in-one tool for generating explainer videos includes a text-to-speech engine, templates, AI avatars, and more. Corporate communications videos. Convert dull PowerPoint presentations into entertaining videos. Make high-quality videos for onboarding, workshops, or company updates. Learning and development videos. When it comes to creating an emotional connection and capturing attention, nothing beats a talking head video. Just have a look. Want a talking head video? With Elai, it's easier than you think. Talking head videos not just save you money and energy, but they may also better reflect your business to customers. So, why not use such videos to boost your customer relations? Moreover, creating a talking avatar of your company's representative is the finest method to establish your brand's distinct appearance on the web. Generate a talking head video with audio in over 65 different languages and voices with Elai's platform. No need for a camera, a microphone, or a studio. Are you already using talking head videos? Let us know in comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye from Elai.